Okay, in this video I want to show you how to do yourself basically unloosen a belt buckle that's been lodged into the spring holder here. Usually this happens to everybody, but it'll get folded right here and it'll get stuck, and usually you could twist it and turn it and eventually get it loose, but on mine it pretty much was already out, and it stayed folded here, and it didn't matter how much I pulled or I pushed, I couldn't get it to fix, and pretty much it was just a loose belt buckle over my shoulder, and of course that's dangerous. It's pretty easy on most cars. There's two spots, usually one or two places that you have to unscrew. And what you're going to do is basically this plastic piece that's over your belt buckle, you're going to pretty much loosen that up to where you can get a hold of it. You'll see here there's little end caps. Here's one here. And what you do is you just get you a little, for this one, you just get you a little flathead screwdriver. And then you have to be aggressive, and you take this end cap off. Well, there's basically a screw that's underneath here that would just take a little Allen, not an Allen wrench, but a ratchet set, and you have to fit it. I'll show you on the other one where I just fixed it. And then on this one, this is a Toyota Sienna. This one actually has a handle on it. So this one, there's actually two little end caps here as well that I had to pry up with a flathead screwdriver, and that one took an Allen wrench. So at the most, you just need a flat or a Phillips head screwdriver and an Allen wrench. So this is the one I just repaired. So you can see here, this one took a ratchet to undo this one, which is fairly easy to do. As you can see here, this is the ratchet set that I used, and this is the screw here that came off of it, and that went in right in here after I took this end cap off. So you can see that. And then after that was the handle, which over here, as you can see, it had two little end caps on it, and it was set in there. And this one took an Allen wrench. So I'll show you real quick. It took an Allen wrench to get, and you should have something like that. If not, you can get it at Walmart or Lowe's for $5. And I had to take the end caps off of here. Well, once I got both of these off, I got the flathead screwdriver, and I had to pry this open. And this actually here on the top had to pry open. You just have to be aggressive with it. Alright, and then as you can see here, here's a spring loader. And what was happening is this thing was folded here, as you can, and it's folded down here. But what I did from here, it wouldn't pull, but it would push. So what I would do is I got this enough to where I could pull on this end. And sure enough, this thing worked, and now the spring action is loaded. And then the only thing you do from there is just loop it and reverse everything that you just did. Put that back in there, and put the screw back in here, and then with the Allen wrench, get your handle back in. But 90% of vehicles are able to be fixed in this way. Instead of taking a mechanic and getting like a $30 bill, it's just better just to do it yourself. Alright, hope you enjoy the video.